If P is equal to this, find P inverse. In other words, you are asked to find the inverse of this matrix, So we go into solution. The inverse of a matrix is equal to 1 over the determinant. Determinant is simply written as this: the magnitude of P, which is the determinant, 1 over the determinant times the adjoint of P. This adjoint is simply the transpose of the cofactor. The transpose of the cofactor matrix. In this case, the adjoint of this matrix, let me copy the matrix again. P equal to 1 3 0 1. The adjoint of this matrix will be equal to what you do. Since this is a 2 by 2 matrix, if it was to be a 3 by 3, you first find the cofactor. After finding the cofactor, you transpose it, then you have the adjoint. But this one is a 2 by 2 matrix. You just interchange the face diagonal, this one and this one. Then you take this one, this particular one, you take it up and write it here. Then this other one, you write it here. How you understand? Okay, let's say if this was not 1, if this was another number like 2, you write 2 here, then you write this one here. But since it is 1, so this one is this one, then this one is this one. I hope I'm not confusing you. So this other one, you simply put minus to this one, that is minus 3, and also you put minus to this 0. Should be minus 0, but there is nothing like minus 0. So 0 is neutral, so you simply write your 0. This is it. And what is your determinant? Your determinant is simply 1 times 1 minus 0 times 3. Determinant, let me write it down. That is equal to 1 times 1 minus what? 0 times 3, which is 0. Determinant is 1. Then the inverse now will be equal to 1 over determinant times what? The adjoint. This is 1 minus 3 0 1, which is equal to what? 1 over 1 times this is simply 1 minus 3 0 1. That's the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, simply click on the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my page on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. Bye for now.